Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back. It is another video, and today's video it is a cleaning my sitting room video. Um if you're new here, welcome. My name is Justina Uju. Uju is actually my Igbo name, my language name. When I was in Nigeria, everybody knows me as Uju, not Justina. Justina was something I started using when I came over to Europe because that is my English name, but my language name is Uju, and the full pronunciation is Obianuju or Ujungwa. But anyway, my name is Justina Uju. Welcome to my channel. So I am doing a sitting room cleaning, and yeah, first of all, I am just using the broom to gather all the big rubbish. Like this sitting room, we sweep it like every day, but like it just a light sweeping and a light tidying up. So today is like weekend, and I decided, what, I need to give it a proper cleaning, because when you're in a hurry you just sweep where you can basically see, or you sweep the rubbish you can basically see. You're not really moving stuff around, and you're not really giving it a good sweep. So today is like a good sweep. And this sitting room is, we are three adults and three kids in this sitting room. So this sitting room has has a good amount of people in and out, and sitting, eating, and whatever, watching TV, drinking cup of tea, whatever we're doing in the sitting room. So anyway, I am trying to use the broom first to gather all the big rubbish out of the sitting room, and trying to move the couch away from the space where they are originally positioned, so I can sweep out under the couch and get all the rubbish out from under the couch. So that is basically what I am doing at the moment. And yeah, it is weekend, and I can only do this kind of power cleaning on a weekend, because during the weekdays we barely have enough time in the morning to do anything. So what we do is in the evening, during the weekdays, we kind of hoover it a little bit, take out the rubbish, hoover it, and that is it. But if I'm off during the weekend, I like to tidy the whole place and get it looking spotless. So after sweeping with the broom, I got the hoover, because now the hoover is gonna take out anything else that the broom didn't take out. So I am going to use the hoover after using the broom to take out loads of stuff out from the floor. So yeah, I hope you guys sit back and enjoy it. And yeah, let's get on with the cleaning. So guys, after hoovering the floor, I am going to hoover the seat, because when you're sitting on the seat and eating, all the crumbs, the biscuit crumbs, the bread crumbs, everything is falling inside the couch. But surprisingly, I did not see a whole lot of stuff, because there's sometimes when you lift up the cushions, there's loads of stuff under the cushions, but it wasn't as bad as what I thought it would be, because I have not done the couch hoovering now for a week. So I was thinking, oh, it will have a lot of stuff in it, but it didn't. I absolutely love this, my hoover, for the fact that I can just take it apart and use it on the couch. Is brilliant, I'm not joking. And this stuff works good on pet hairs as well, because we have guinea pigs. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, some of my OG subscribers that has been here for so long, one of our guinea pig died. Remember, we have two guinea pig, Violet and Phoenix. Violet died recently and we were all devastated. We cried. I'm telling you, tears was everywhere. My kids, they cried. We all shared tears because they have been with us for so long now. We have had them now I think closely to 3 years. So it was sad to see Violet go, but Phoenix is still around. So what was I saying? I was saying that the hoover is very good with the pet hairs, because it takes out the hair. Because when you have pets, the kids intend to bring them to the couch to sit down and play. And I'm happy that the hoover can take out the hair, because their hair can be very, very sticky on the couch. And I also love this hoover for the fact it does not have cables. I hate hoovers with cables. I hate having to drag the hoover and also dragging the cables. I just don't, it's just not my cup of tea at all. I just want to deal with just the hoover, not the cable. But I am hoovering underneath the cushions. But like I said, there was not too many crumbs inside the couch this week, which is brilliant. I think I should stop everybody from eating in the couch, because I put this rule that no eating in the couch. But I feel like we do it every now and then, but I feel like if I made it okay, nobody should eat on this couch, I think everybody would just stop eating on the couch. But after hoovering the couch, I am going in with what did they call this? I can't remember. The sticky stuff for taking out the hair as well. And this one is reusable. I actually bought it the other day. I was in Primark and I was like, ooh, because I usually get the one, the one that you use, you rip out, and you use again, you rip out. And I saw this one. I have seen a couple of them in Amazon, but I haven't bought. But the other day I was in Primark and I saw this one. I was like, okay, let me give it a go, and it is working fine. It is very good. Like when I finish using it, I go and rinse it out under the tap, and everything rinse off, and I come back again and use it again. Like this is my first time of using this particular one, and it works very well. It works good, so it is good for me. I will definitely buy it again. So I am trying to take out the pet hair off the couch. This couch is very, very sticky when it comes to pet hair. This particular one, I'm the one that bought this couch last year in our old house. You guys remember our old apartment? That's when I bought this, because we needed another couch, and I was like, oh, I need something that can take everybody, that can occupy all of us in one go. And I was like, oh, let me buy this one. And I remember my kids telling me, are you sure? Why don't you get the leather one? I was like, no, I'm tired of leather. I just need something that have clothes on it. Bad idea when you have pets. Bad idea, because now I have to hoover it all the time because of the pet hair. But anyway, I love the couch. It pulls out, and in the night it can be a very fantastic lounging area for everybody. I'm not joking. We just put all ourselves in there, and it fits everybody, and we just cuddle up and watch telly. Anyway, after hoovering the couch, I decided that it was time. I decided, that's a good one. After hoovering the couch, it was time to mop the floor. So I'm using my steam mop to give the floor. I feel like this floor needs a good steaming, because like when you step on it, when you're looking at it, it doesn't look dirty, but when you step on it on your bare foot and you look under your foot, it is absolutely dirty. So I feel like, okay, today is a steam mop kind of day, because that will help lift off all the dirt off the couch. So guys, after cleaning the TV stands and the window, I felt like I should give this chair a little bit of scrub, especially where I'm scrubbing, because sometimes our feet and our hands can be dirty and we're rubbing it all over there. Like we put all our hands there and we rub it on it, and it leaves that place looking dirty. And sometimes if you're lying on that couch and you put your leg on that place, it leaves some marks around it. I feel like this fabric is a little bit difficult to maintain. If I'm gonna buy this couch again, I would definitely not buy the fabric one, because I am constantly dusting, cleaning and doing all sorts of stuff to it, because I feel like this material shows dirt easily. It doesn't even matter if it's a small dirt. Let's just say if your sauce is a bit dusty, it is going to show. Yeah, but I'm done cleaning it, and every place looks spotless and looks clean. And yeah, this is how I want to spend my weekend. I just want to lie down on a clean sitting room couch and have a peace, relax, like just relax peacefully in a clean environment. That is how I want to spend my weekend, and I love lying down exactly where I am at this particular time, because when you lie down here and you look up, there's a two little roof window up, and it looks so beautiful. If you lie down here and you're looking straight up to the sky, it looks peaceful. And on a rainy day, you could sleep for hours just hearing the sound of the rain hit that window. It just makes a lovely lullaby for sleeping. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, do not forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.